Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to set up donations on Twitch. For the purpose of this video, we are talking specifically about donations or tips. This is when a viewer appreciates the content you are creating and decides to donate or tip you directly. Any Twitch streamer can take advantage of this, which is great for new creators because you don't have to be an affiliate or partnered streamer to make money from your Twitch channel. There are multiple ways to accept donations on Twitch, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to use a third-party website called Streamlabs to set this up. And we are going to set it up so viewers can tip with their credit cards. First, create a Streamlabs account and link your Twitch channel. Then, after you've logged into Streamlabs, click on Dashboard at the top of the screen. On the left-hand side, scroll down that menu until you see the text Account. Under the Account heading, you should see Settings. Click on Settings. You should already be on the Donation Settings tab. Look for the field labeled Credit Cards and click on it. This will open a window where you need to verify your identity information. Type your information in and then click Submit. On the next page, you need to tell Streamlabs where the money will go to, so you'll need your bank information for this. Complete this information and then click Submit once more. Now, click on Settings located just below the words Donation Settings. Here, you can customize your donation settings. We want to find the link to our donation page. You should see the words Your Page near the bottom of your screen. Right-click on the link and then select Copy Link. We will use this soon on our Twitch channel. Now that you are ready to receive donations, let's set up a donation button on Twitch. Go to twitch.tv and log in. Then, click on your channel icon in the upper right corner and select Channel. Now, select About. You should see a toggle here called Edit Panels. Toggle that to the on position so we can edit our panels. Click the big plus icon to add a panel. I already have a donations or tips panel set up, so I'll just walk you through how I did this. The best method is to use an image. So I added an image called Tips to my channel. Then, in the Image Links To field, I pasted my Streamlabs page. When a viewer clicks the image, it takes them to the page where they can donate to the channel. Once they have completed all of the info, they can choose what method they'd like to use to donate. And that is how you set up donations on Twitch. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.